Well, guess what? We have another massive typhoon that's developed out in the western Pacific. This is Typhoon Vong Fong. It's a storm that already hit Guam and Rota Island over the weekend, and now it's really wrapped up. I mean, this thing is an absolute monster. Sustained wind up close to 150 miles an hour. Look how symmetrical that eye is. I mean, it looks like almost a perfect circle, and usually when you see that, that's an indication of an extremely strong typhoon. Unfortunately, this thing is headed up toward Japan. Initially, it looks like the southern islands of Japan are going to get the worst of it before it starts to weaken a little bit as it approaches the mainland. I know this is coming right after Japan got hit by Typhoon Fanfone over the weekend, but this is one we'll have to watch very closely over the next couple of days. Look at the track. I mean, it's taking it right into some of the southern islands there, close to Okinawa, possibly as a Category 3 equivalent storm, so that could have sustained wind up close to 120 miles an hour. After that, the forecast is a little bit shaky, but it does appear that the Japanese mainland certainly is at least at risk.
There's a dip in the jet stream that we're forecasting to come over Japan. That's going to basically tug this back toward the north. Look at Kadena Air Base. 25,000 U.S. servicemen and women that are there, and they're in the cone of this one. So this is something of interest to us, certainly here, and to folks there in Japan. So I think that Thursday into Friday, very gusty winds, tropical storm at the very least in Kadena and Okinawa, and then hurricane conditions, typhoon conditions into the southern prefectures of Japan on Saturday into Sunday.